Hello, I want to say welcome back to our health and wellness family. And if you're new here, I want to say welcome to the family. Today I'm going to make homemade ice cream. I'm going to make a strawberry ice cream. I'm also going to make a chocolate ice cream and a little bit of coconut ice cream. So let's get started. We're going to combine a little bit more than ½ pound of cashew nut, and then we're going to add that to the blender. These cashews are already pre-soaked and drained. We're going to now add some coconut milk to our cashew nut. We're gonna now add some regular cow's milk to the blender, but if you're vegan you can skip this option, or you can add almond milk instead. We're gonna now add 1 packet of stevia. We're not going to use any sugar. And next we're going to add about 1/3 of a teaspoon of honey. Next we're going to add about ½ a teaspoon of vanilla. Next, we're gonna go ahead and just blend. Look at this creamy goodness. We're gonna go ahead and just pour the ice cream into the container. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut up a couple of strawberries for strawberry ice cream. Now that we have our strawberry already cut up, we're gonna add some lemon juice and some honey to the strawberries before we add it to our ice cream. We're gonna crush our strawberries so they combine a little bit better. And add about 1/3 of honey to the strawberries, or teaspoon of honey to the strawberry. Go ahead and just combine the strawberry mixture to the ice cream. Now that we have the strawberry ice cream finished, we're gonna go ahead and now add our coconut shreds for our coconut ice cream. And you can just add as much as you like. I'm just gonna mix the coconut shreds evenly into the coconut ice cream mixture. Now we're gonna go ahead and drizzle some chocolate for the chocolate ice cream. And you can do a swirl or do whatever design you like for the chocolate ice cream. After a couple hours in the freezer, we're gonna go ahead and just serve the ice cream. Enjoy. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.